you know, Nikki is who I am on stage. She's the person the world knows me as, and I think Nicole is who I am at home behind closed doors. I was born and raised in Indonesia, and from a very young age, I was just always around music. I got my guitar when I was 9 years old. I wrote my first song that day. I feel like all the musical events the early ones that I participated in would be like school related. I was 15, it was such a formative experience playing to just an ocean of people. I think that solidified kind of my initial excitement about performing. I remember telling a counselor, oh, I want to be a singer. One of the counselors actually literally emitted a scoff, and she kind of laughed at me. And that obviously was kind of hurtful, but at the same time I was like, yeah, you don't get it, you know what I mean? I'm gonna do it. And so I just kind of risked it all and left and pursued music. 3, 2, 1. Dallas! Nicole is my most vulnerable project thus far. I looked through all of these songs that I penned when I was 16, 17. One day, I just asked for a studio day. I just went in with my acoustic guitar and pressed record. I didn't even have the album in mind at all at that point. I just kind of was recording to do it for fun as an outlet. And I left that day being like, this could be something.
Favorite song, I would say Keeping Tabs. Keeping Tabs is my favorite song from her new album.
I loved it. When Oceans and Edges came out, I was working out, and I actually dropped the weights down because it was so impactful, I started crying.
It's my first time seeing Nikki. I've been a fan for 2 years, and I'm very excited to see her.
What I love so much about this album is it feels so DIY in a way and intimate. Most of the songs were recorded in the living rooms of people. Some of the songs I recorded myself with my little $60 USB mic. There's just a lot of love that was put into it, and it didn't feel calculated or contrived. It just sort of was organic. As an artist, I love seeing people be just positively affected by whatever I make and inspired to just be themselves and live life to the fullest. That's all I could ever ask for.